You know those balconies you see all over cities? The ones that just float? Like there's nothing at all holding them up from below? It looks kind of like magic, doesn't it? Well, it's not magic. It's actually some really clever engineering. And today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the secret of the floating balcony. I mean, have you ever really stopped to think about it? You could be standing out there, 10 stories up, and there's nothing, just air. So how in the world does it stay bolted to the building without just crashing to the ground? It's a great question, and believe it or not, the answer is surprisingly elegant. Okay, so the hero of our story is something called a cantilever beam. Now, it sounds a little technical, but the idea is really simple. It's a beam that's fixed super securely at just one end, leaving the other end totally free to hang out in space. This unique design is what lets it handle weight by creating what engineers call a bending moment.
So here's where it gets really interesting. When you put weight on that balcony, there's a kind of tug-of-war happening inside that beam. The very top surface is actually getting stretched apart. That's tension. And at the exact same time, the bottom surface is being squeezed together. That's compression. It's this incredible internal balancing act that gives the cantilever all its strength. You can actually feel this for yourself right now. Seriously, grab a ruler, hold one end of it really tight in your fist so it's sticking straight out. Now push down on the free end. Feel that? That twisting force? That resistance you feel in your hand? That is the moment we were just talking about. It's that exact same force.
Okay, now take that feeling from the ruler and just imagine it magnified, like thousands of times. That is pretty much what the building's wall is doing. The fixed end of that balcony beam is anchored deep inside the structure, and the wall is providing that immense, powerful grip needed to hold up the entire thing.
And this is definitely not left to chance. Civil engineers calculate these forces with incredible precision. They design that fixed connection to handle all the stress, the bending, the shear, the whole shebang. And get this, the balcony is actually designed to bend, just a tiny, imperceptible amount to absorb the load. But it is always, always engineered so that it will never, ever break.
So, the next time you see a floating balcony, or even an airplane wing or traffic light arm, you'll know the secret of the cantilever beam. It kind of makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other amazing feats of engineering are hiding right there in front of us, just waiting to be understood?